Hi, I'm Cosette, and myself along with my group who is Katie and Jake decided to discuss how sentiment analysis and data analysis can improve your sales.
The definition of technology described in this article is how technology is used to tap into consumer demand based on natural language. It is a mix of machine learning and artificial intelligence which allows for companies to use social media in order to get their product out to consumers. Technology is used to make a brand more accessible to their customers through social media. The general definition of technology is the application of scientific knowledge for practical purposes, especially in industry. If technology is used properly, it can result in large benefits for human beings. Industries use technology to get their brand across to consumers and allow for consumers to provide feedback through social media.
Similar to Macy's, other department stores such as JCPenney's and Sears have struggled to hold their place in retails. This is because more and more sales are moving onto online stores or even through services that cell phones provide. Macy's as a company is seen adapting in the new standards of shopping. One of the ways Macy's is staying ahead of the game is by using sentiment analysis. With sentiment analysis, programs are able to pick up the language that is meant when consumers type in either a review or response when communicating with the company. Macy's mentions and looking at the words around it for emotions and modifiers. Emotional words are fairly intuitive for us to grasp. Crappy and hate are bad words, while awesome and great are good words. In the example on the next slide, we will see how these words are used to help produce more sales for this company. This prom dress, which is a part of Macy's collection, is seen having an overall rating of 5 stars with a review saying, "This is a beautiful dress, it is true to size, it is beautiful on, and the color is like the picture." This customer also happened to check off the box that said, "Yes, I would recommend this product." From this, the natural processing language of sentiment analysis will pick up words such as beautiful and color, and also the fact that the customer checked off the box that said they would recommend this product again. Because of this, people can analyze this data who work at Macy's and see that products like this and products similar to this will result in most sales. The natural processing language of sentiment analysis will pick up the positive connotation of the word beautiful. Data can help project what trends are in style, thus telling Macy's what types of dresses to have in stock and in turn increasing their profit. When the person checked off, "Yes, I recommend this product," it again was another sentiment analysis collection data on the consumer's opinion.
For a startup company, a hybrid sentiment analysis system would be extremely beneficial. We'd start with a rule-based system to keep it simple and inexpensive for the early startup, and mix it with an automatic machine learning system. The system would use deep learning and would understand more as data input increases. Instead of analyzing customers as a whole, we would target segments and use the sentiment analysis system that way. For the startup, sentiment analysis would be relatively simple due to a lower volume. For the rule-based system, we would use classical NLP techniques or lexicons, and for deep learning, we would need manpower. We need manpower to help machines learn, so we create an application that allows humans to communicate with machines to practice sentiment analysis. For example, a customer gives certain product 2 stars on website. However, the comment may be sarcastic. "Wow, this product is really great." The machine would process the rating and comment independently and contradict itself by saying there is a positive sentiment about the product because the comment is literally positive, but only a human is able to detect the sarcasm in the comment. With constant training like this, a machine would then be able to view the rating and comment as one thing and detect the sarcasm if the system is developed effectively. When a machine is able to detect effective sentimental analysis, the startup can start getting a sense of how their customers feel about their products. It is up to the company to make decisions about certain products. If a certain product is getting great sentiment, the marketing team should make that a focus. If a different product is not well liked by customers, the development team should fix that product or eliminate it completely.
Some of the pros with sentiment analysis deal with smaller companies that don't have data inflows of giant corporation can use the sentiment analysis of larger competitors to position themselves correctly for the customers that are dissatisfied with the products of the big company. It is an easy way for you to introduce your products as a higher quality alternative to the product they just complained about. Another pro is less effort by employees to gain consumer opinions and reviews. In other traditional ways, they can use this through mail or other physical forms or papers. The sentiment analysis can achieve this goal much easier through the computer and technology. Another pro is that it has a competitive advantage. If one company uses this strategy over others, they will have an advantage that they won't have, thus helping them in return. It can maximize marketing strategies, develop product quality through customer opinions, improve customer service, and increase sales revenue.
The cons I want to focus on are social media response bias and real-time processing. For social media response bias, how often do you fall in love with a product from a particular company and head to Twitter or Instagram to talk about it? Almost never. It's different the other way around. Customers love going on social media to complain about products that they were disappointed by. Through social media, sentiment analysis systems can generate an overall negative customer feeling, even if the majority feel good about the products or company. For real-time processing, data comes in so fast that it's hard for anyone to do any effective analysis on it.
Thank
you.